I have a Stihl MS 251. I have a broken spring on the handle. I'm going to go ahead and purchase one, take the handle off, show you how to reinstall a new one. First thing I'm going to do is take this nut right here off. I'm going to take this cover off, take the bar and chain off. Okay, this spring right here, as you can see, it broke off from right there, and it goes right here. And as you can see, whole saw. Okay, now that all that's off, it gives me a little bit more maneuverability on the saw where I can flip it over. Now I'm going to go ahead and take these two screws out. They are a T27. Now I'll go ahead and I'll flip it over. Right here on the bottom is two more screws. I'm going to go ahead and take those out as well. Okay, now remember, these here are machine screws. As you can see here, the handle is free on this side. I'm going to go around to this side, take the handle and pull out on it. I may have to get a screwdriver here, pry this out a little bit. Get it loose like so. Now I'll go ahead and bring it around and take it out. It should come right out because this side here is already loose. Twist it around and the handle comes out. Now I'll go ahead and see if I can get a spring for this right here and put it back together. Now these also are T27, so I'm going to go ahead and take this cover off. Now what I'm going to have to do is take this bolt right here out in order to get this piece off, because that's where the spring goes on. Now I should just be able to grab it and pull it off. Now what I'll do is I'll attach the spring to here, put it back together. Okay, here's the broken spring. As you can see how it looks. This is the new spring. This is how it looks. And we want to put it right here. So this is the broken spring and it went like this. So check this here. Make sure it looks like this. The other piece of the spring may be on here if it broke. It depends on which side it broke from. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this spring and just put it on here and turn it. Thread it on here all the way until it stops. It's got a little stopper in there. Now it don't want to come backwards. You have to take a pair of pliers and get it off. Now what I'll do is just take it and thread it on here just like that. And now I'll go ahead and bolt it back down. Okay, now as you can see, it threaded around to where it was level to where I can put it back on there. I'm just going to put it down like this. Pop it on there. Now what you can pretty much do is put the side and this front bottom piece on at the same time and everything will snap right together. Now I'll go ahead and put these two in. Now I'll go ahead and turn it around and over. And remember, the machine screws go here in the bottom. Those are in. I'll go ahead and blow the dust off of it. Now I'll go ahead and put the cover back on it. Now I'll go ahead and put the bar and chain back on it. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.